Let's get your on-the-go Playard set up. Undo the Velcro straps holding the mattress around the frame and set the mattress aside. Pull up on each rail in the middle until it clicks into place. Make sure to do this to all 4 rails before moving on. Hold one end of the Playard and press the center hub down until it clicks into place. Place the mattress soft side up inside the Playard. Feed each corner strap through the slot at the bottom and snap it around the tube. Make sure the rails are firm, the center is locked, and the mattress is flat. Now let's attach the bassinet. First, take the mattress out from the bottom of the Playard. You'll need it for the bassinet. Snap all 8 clips around the top of the Playard. Then connect the support bars by sliding the tapered ends into the centerpiece. Do this for both sets. Now lay the mattress soft side up inside the bassinet. Let's attach the toy bar so it's secure and safe for playtime. Insert one end of the toy bar into the center connector until it clicks or feels snug. Slip the toy bar fabric over the assembled parts, making sure the fabric aligns and covers all connectors. Secure the other end of the toy bar into the opposite center connector. Again, ensure it's fully seated. Now attach your toys by simply attaching the Velcro snap to the toy. Finally, attach the toy bar to the Playard frame, locking it into place so it doesn't move when your baby plays. Now let's fold it away, starting with the bassinet if you have it attached. Take the mattress out of the bassinet and set it aside. Pull out the support bars from the centerpiece. Reach through the hole in the bassinet mesh and grab the red center tab and pull it to lift the floor. Lift, press the button, and fold each rail down. Wrap the mattress around the frame, buckle the straps, and pack it into the carry bag. Adjust the support bars as needed to get it compact in the bag. When you're ready to take the bassinet off, here's how. Take out the mattress and set it aside. Separate the support bars and detach all 8 clips, then take the mesh out completely. Replace the mattress soft side up inside the Playard. Feed each corner strap through the slot at the bottom and snap it around the tube. Now if you're ready to fold just the Playard, here's how. Unsnap the straps from around the tubes and take the mattress out. Grab the red tab in the center and pull up until the floor folds in. Lift each rail just a bit, press the center button and fold it down. Do this for all 4 sides. Wrap the mattress around the frame, secure the straps, and slide the whole thing into the carry bag.